mean, it's a great honor to have students like you. They do really, really well. And, you have got an opportunity in Paraxel, right?
Yeah, ma'am, Paraxel.
That's an amazing company. I mean, we have more students there. Um, and please share your experience and your feedback with us, so that it helps others also, and us also, to fix what is not right here. I mean, there is always a scope of growth for us also as an organization. I mean, we can do more for students. So please tell us what is that we can do and what is that we have done, Kailash.
Yeah, ma'am. First, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm really grateful for your support and guidance. I received during my training at CliniLaunch Institute. The training helped me understand that clinical research and PV concept clearly, and the mock interviews, resume guidance, and mentorship really helped me and prepare for industry interviews, ma'am. Because for that support, I got this opportunity with Paraxel. I truly appreciate the efforts of the institute in guiding students and helping us to build confidence for our careers.
Okay, great. That is amazing. So you have picked up what role in Paraxel today?
Ma'am, PV has a patient safety associate one.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay. So patient safety is what you have picked up. And I mean, when is your joining date?
Ma'am, 16, ma'am, March 16.
March 16th. Oh, awesome. I mean, it's nearby. It's now only.
Yeah.
After some days you're gonna join. That's great. I mean, which batch you are? March 2025. Okay. In case, if, I mean, we have upgraded our courses with IBM also. In case if you wish to do IBM course also, please do enroll for that as well. I mean, you don't have to pay anything extra. I'm just letting you know. I mean, you
Okay.
get 3 certificates from IBM and it is in the same field. Pooja
Yeah.
will help you with that for sure, if you are interested. I mean, that is also one. I mean, IBM gives you 3 certifications with the guided labs, so you will have some practical exposure also in the field. Okay. Any apart from that, anything else you want to say? How was the overall placement mentorship program for you? And trainings, you have already well said that trainings are technical and in nature, and the trainings have helped you build understanding of the core field. How about the placement mentorship program?
Actually, at the start date, day one, I am literally nil, and the program was very helpful for me. And the team guided with resume preparation, interview preparation, and the day one of the class, I have class started with the clinical research classes. Clinical research classes it go on for 1 month. She ma'am explained everything regarding clinical research, what are the phases, and very clearly. And we have recorded class also. If time is not set for us, we can go for recording classes and we can listen anytime. And after every completing of every concept, there is will be a mock test will be there. So it helped us to show interest, and we have it helped us to grow interest, and it shown us improving, it shown us to improve more in that. And it supported to help this understanding of all the concepts like clinical research, medical writing. And they in the during my classes, they are going to show that on which website we can see that further guidelines where it will be updated, and what will be the updated version of softwares and how it should be used. And it was amazing, ma'am, it was amazing. And for placement support, I want to talk, it was also amazing, ma'am. They are going to send us all the placements which will be all over the India. And Pooja ma'am also helped very well, ma'am. It was amazing.
Thank you so much for all your kind words. And it's your journey. We have been able to contribute. It's a great thing for us also. Thank you so much that you have put in your trust in us. And we are right here for your help. In future also, if there is anything we can do, please do let us know, Kailash. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you
Sure.
so much. All the best. Do fly out with flying colors in the field.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.